Hello kids, welcome to my channel Easy Kids Classes. Pink color, black color, peacock green color, orange color, dark green color, yellow color, sky blue color, light pink color, blue color, green color, red color, brown color, violet color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Circle. Square. Star. Hexagon. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Right triangle. Violet color. Circle. Circle. Circle, violet color, green color, square, square, green color, sky blue color, star, star, sky blue color, peacock green color, hexagon, hexagon, peacock green color, yellow color, parallelogram, parallelogram, yellow color, blue color, right triangle, right triangle, blue color, circle, square, star, hexagon, parallelogram, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.